Welcome to Tropical Capitalist. Today we're stepping into the colorful heart of Panama, where history, culture, music, and community come together. This is Casco Viejo on one of its most vibrant days, Casco Peatonal. First, we stopped by the new beach area in Casco, known by many as La Playita de Mayer. It's the perfect spot to sit back, enjoy the ocean breeze, and take in some of the best skyline views Panama City has to offer. Walking through Casco feels like stepping into a living postcard. Colorful artwork, handcrafted local goods, vibrant expressions of Panama's Afro-Caribbean culture, and beautifully preserved colonial architecture create a unique atmosphere where history and creativity meet at every turn. You can find restaurants, art shops, souvenirs, boutiques, and walk around enjoying the beautiful vibe. This edition of Casco Peatonal is dedicated to celebrating the Afro-descendant and Afro-Caribbean heritage that has helped shape Panama's identity. The streets come alive with hundreds of Congo dancers in colorful traditional dresses, the pollera conga, moving to the rhythm of drums and tamboritos in a joyful display of culture, history, and pride. Now I'm gonna crank the volume up so you can enjoy. Adding to the festive atmosphere, many people are wearing Panama's red soccer jerseys as the country prepares for today's match. And here's Marek enjoying the views. Surrounded by the timeless architecture of Casco Viejo, the celebration feels even more special. The historic plazas, churches, and colorful facades create the perfect backdrop, transporting you to another era while filling the streets with warmth, energy, and strong sense of belonging. It's impossible not to be swept up in the joy of it all. Everywhere you look, people are smiling, dancing, waving, and sharing in celebration. What starts as a visit quickly feels like something more. Locals and visitors alike pause to capture the moment, knowing these are the kinds of memories you'll want to hold on to long after the day is over. We'll let the sound of the celebration speak for themselves for a moment. Our next stop is La Casa Municipal, one of Casco Viejo's historic landmarks. Once largely closed to the public, this beautiful restored building has been transformed into a community space where residents and visitors can enjoy cultural events, live music, local performances, and traditional treats. More than just a historic building, it has become a gathering place where Panamanians and visitors can share experiences and traditions. As our day in Casco Viejo comes to an end, we're reminded why this place is so special. It's where Panama's rich history, vibrant culture, and welcoming spirit come together, all against the backdrop of a modern city looking towards the future. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next adventure with Tropical Capitalist. At my second option, we're constantly looking for the best investment and the right fit for you. We are out here walking the land, going to the properties, meeting with developers, checking permits, and building the connections that matter. We operate in Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador, 3 countries full of opportunity, each with their own rhythm and potential. In Paraguay, we focus on sovereign living, low-cost land, legal residency, and long-term value for those who want peace and security outside the noise. In El Salvador, we guide you through the frontier of freedom, from ocean viewscapes to off-grid living in a country embracing innovation, Bitcoin, and new beginnings. And here in Panama, we bring you options, from tropical villas to city apartments to turnkey Airbnb setups in a country with strong infrastructure, 0% tax on foreign income, embracing cryptocurrency, technology, global access, and an international way of living. We have handle everything: second citizenship, relocations, real estate, construction, remodelations, development, legal and accounting advice, property management, and more. We help you establish your business through our network with the best in-house team of lawyers and accountants. We're hands-on, transparent, and always tailored to your goals. Whether you're relocating, investing, or just building a plan B, we help you do it right and do it smart. We are always seeking for the right investment for you. So don't hesitate to contact us. Our WhatsApp link is in the description. Or scan the QR code at the end of the video to connect with us directly. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you on the next one.